two Mipro models are the MA708 and the MA808 PA systems. They look almost identical. The difference is size and power. The MA708 features an 8-inch neodymium woofer and a 1-inch compression driver and is 120 watts. The MA808 features a 10-inch neodymium woofer, a 1-inch compression driver, and is 180 watts. Like all Mipro products, both models run on either AC or can run 6 to 8 hours on internal batteries. On the rear panel, the MA708 and MA808 have an identical feature set. Both systems can have up to 4 wireless microphones, a CD MP3 player, and allows for other audio sources like 2 wired microphones and a line input. Finally, the MA708 and MA808 have a unique feature that cannot be found on any other product in the industry, and that is the optional MTM90 wireless transmission module. With this module, a user can take all input sources of their MA708 or MA808 and wirelessly transmit them to another Mipro unit up to 100 meters away. That's right, no wires. You can transmit all audio sources wirelessly to another receiving unit. And then, if that receiving unit is an MA708 or an MA808, you can then again rebroadcast all those signals another 100 meters away, and do that one more time again for a daisy chain of up to 3 units. And that's just in one direction. Imagine north, south, east, and west all running simultaneously. That's great coverage in a large area without any wires. The MA708 and MA808 allow for use of up to 4 wireless microphones. 2 of the wireless will be received on the MR70 individual modules, and then the additional 2 will be received on the MR72 dual receiver module. The MRM72 dual receiver module can only be used in the top slot of the MA708 or MA808 system. Now, in addition to up to 4 wireless microphones and the CD MP3 player, there's a host of other inputs on the MA708 and MA808 PA systems. As an example, there are 2 jacks for wired microphones, one on a 1/4-inch connector and one on an XLR connector, each with their own adjacent level controls. Next, as you can see, you can interface an iPhone, iPad, iPod, or any other additional external audio source. They can be plugged into a variety of inputs, including the line input that has its own adjacent level control. Aside from that, there is an echo effect built into the MA708 and MA808 systems. This allows for a special effect to be applied to voice for either performing vocals or karaoke in some cases. Next, there's a line output jack. This allows the user to send all audio sources to either a recording device or an external powered system. Here is the master volume control. This is the master level for the overall system. The MA708 and MA808 allow for the use of an extension speaker. On the MA708, there is a use of a 1/4-inch jack that sends full range signal to the extension speaker. On the MA808, there is a speak-on connector that sends biamp signal to the extension speaker for the MA808 EXP. The MA708 and MA808 have some superb features. For example, the storage compartment that allows for the storage of 2 wireless microphones, the handy pull-up luggage style handle, all the way down to the rugged wheels that allow for optimum portability.